What's up? Welcome to the Daily Grind. I'm your guy, Billy Ball, the Farmer Phillips. And on today is Wednesday, August the 27th. And we're back out here working on the excavator again. This customer right here was out running, mulching some trees, some tree limbs, and got into an old barbed wire fence and put a pinhole in another line. So we're gonna come out here and change that line real quick. And after that, I got a surprise for y'all. Came out, started working on deer field yesterday when it got a disc and everything moved down to the farm down at my mom's house where we hunt at. So we're gonna try to get all that stuff squared away. So I'm gonna grab this hose and get everything put together. And we're gonna have a lot of fun on them today. And we're gonna go down here and dish this deer field. And after we get through dishing deer field, we're gonna come back to John Deere place and got a track. We're gonna try to get it finished. So got a lot going on today, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get the road. So one thing on this job, I did different on this hoe. I kind of shortened the length on this hoe about almost 20 inches because this hoe is way too long for this machine. But you got too much overhang like this particular hoe. You see how it hanging right here in this corner when you're out there working, it getting in the way. It don't need that much hoe. So what I did yesterday, I extended it all the way out to make sure. So this is my new hose coming right here. So right now, this is what it looked like. So when this one blow, I come back, I'll shorten this one up for him, and we'll eliminate a lot of that problem that he's having out of this deal. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna continue to keep on rolling. We're gonna knock this out. All right, everybody, got everything topped back off with oil. The oil's a little high right here on this line, but by the time I crank it up and run it and we get line, hydraulic oil back in the system, we're gonna lock in the line. It should be just right, but if not, we got another 2.5 gallons left over from the last time we replaced these lines. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna keep on moving. Now we're gonna crack the dude up, make sure everything is good, no leaks. Hey, I'm gonna step off this thing and show you what we got real quick. Just like this right here. That's the last line. We replaced this line and this line. This line right here good. Never replaced this one. But I replaced this one last time, this one. So I shorten them up every time I done it. So next time, both of these hoses are 5/8 inch hose, and this is a 1/2 inch. So next time you have trouble with this 1/2 inch hose, we'll shorten them up probably at least about 2 feet on this one. And we have all that stuff taken care of, but everything look good, no leaks. I'm gonna rotate them around real quick, turn them over, make sure we're good. we're gonna go on back down here and go to the next spot. Set the dude down and let's get the invoice together. Got this guy back on the road. Well, that made it to our next stop. Had to stop by my mom's and put a light in a refrigerator, but we just made it down here to the tractor and this. Down here at the old hunting ground, and brought it down yesterday. So what I'm gonna do, put the hydraulic hose on it real quick, go ahead and let it up, get my grease gun out, go ahead and grease everything, and get the disc level. And we're gonna go ahead and work the ground while we're on this end. I'm gonna just take time today and do something for myself. And so I need to get this done, call my chemical and seed rep, and go ahead and get some fertilizer ordered, and maybe we can get it dropped off later on this afternoon. And if we do, we'll come back down here and work that fertilizer in, get it put out, get it worked in, and we'll take me this tractor back. So y'all stay tuned. Let's grab this hose and let's get to work. All right, everybody, we got the hydraulic hose hooked up, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video real quick, grab my grease guns and all that stuff, and let it up, and go ahead and start greasing everything. So let's pick this video right around here shortly somewhere. All right, I got this old Milwaukee grease gun, and we're gonna start greasing these old bearings real quick. It shouldn't take long. We're gonna get this knocked out. I got my old camera on my chest on time lapse, and we're gonna roll with it. So let's get with it. Well, walking to this old disc, got it leveled up. So let's get on this old dude and let's see what happens. Let's see, can we get this old ground slicked up and looking pretty, and get some fertilizer called in, and maybe we can come back down here later this afternoon and get it done. All right, got those discs in the ground. We're rolling pretty good. Got it set up running about 4.8 miles an hour, waiting to get a signal on the GPS, but As of right now, I'm just driving and we'll try to get across the ground at least twice while we're down here and wait on the fertilizer late this afternoon. And we'll come back, spread fertilizer, hook back to the disc and work it in. And we'll be ready to plant, just waiting on the rain. We'll come down here and do work on some drill stands and stuff, get them squared away. So keep on moving, y'all. Keep on moving. It's good to have some good friends, man, that got equipment. We'll swap out some labor for using the equipment and stuff like that. So let's get across. It's one of my favorite parts of farming right here. It's getting the ground ready, man, just to see it all unfold from weeds to get this fertilizer put out. And man, we're gonna watch this whole farm change from brown to green. I see we're gonna have a lot of fun this year. Hunting down here. Be the first time in a long time that I got a chance to get my deer field planted early. So I'm really actually enjoying myself. Fertilizer prices are kind of high. Once I sit down and figure out my blend that I'm gonna put out, I'll let you know what it's gonna cost me an acre. I just mapped this field off. It's a total of 5 acres in this field. And so we're gonna put it out pretty heavy. Everything works out. I try to come back down here this spring and try to get some corn planted, but if not, I'm gonna plant some clover. Try to get some corn planted down here for the next year. Try to get on a good rotation between soybeans and corn. Right? If not, clover and corn. So we're gonna keep on rocking it out, man. GPS working real good, so we're gonna make some good time today. All right, everybody, so what I just got through doing, I just GPSed the field off. So we got a total right at 6 acres. My little small spot right here is actually a half an acre. So I went ahead and GPSed it off so I knew exactly how much fertilizer I need. And I'm gonna get some ordered here shortly. And we're gonna keep on distance. But man, that little ground turned up real good. We get the little half acre turn over, then we'll move on to something. Well, everybody, we got that knocked down. I go up to the John Deere place about 2 o'clock. We'll go up here and work about 2 hours, and let's see how far we can get on this other tractor in the next 2 hours. So we'll pick the video back up, but this ground worked up real good. Try to get some fertilizer ordered real quick. Hopefully I can get it delivered on today. And if that work out, we'll get this place taken care of. This fertilizer worked in, we'll wait on the rain, and we'll come back and plant it after the rain get out of here. So let's go get this done. Growing up as a kid, I always wondered how that worked. First time I ever had a chance to really put my hands on a set of wings on this old style international disc, but it's spring loaded. And to lock it in, push it on down, and check these little eye bolts there, and swing around and lock them in place, screw them down, and that's what holds them. So pretty neat. Maybe we'll run it like that when we get back, because really not trying to break it anymore, just gonna finish it up, just work the fertilizer in, like get the tracks out of it, and we'll close it out. Take this tractor and dish back to the house. So I'll go to the John Deere place and watch the tractor for a little bit. All right, everybody, we made up to the John Deere place real quick. So got about an hour and a half. I'm gonna finish watching on this Kubota tractor, started over here the other day. Got the inside pretty much done. Got it gutted out real good and clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna watch on this for about an hour and a half and wait on my fertilizer. Once I get through doing that, we'll go back down there and finish this. So y'all stay tuned. I got a camera on my chest running on time lapse, and we're gonna keep on making it today. Well, we got that old tractor knocked down pretty good. We'll test it up tomorrow. And so now we'll jump on that skid steer after we get that done. So we're gonna go down here, jump on this disc and this fertilizer bucket, get it worked in, and we'll close that out on this end. So y'all stay tuned and hit the road. Well, everybody, made back down to the bottom. My fertilizer just showed up, so what we're finna do, finna get these wings out, get them spread out, and get them the bolt right here locked in, get those tight, and then we're gonna come back. We need to put some hydraulic oil in the tractor. Got about 10 gallons of diesel. We're gonna top it off with, and we're gonna get this spreading this fertilizer out, and we're gonna get ready to close this out. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get everything ready to go. Let's get the tractor serviced and let's roll. Always something, man. But got to get it done. It's the first time in probably 25 years that I was able to come down here this early and get started on my fall food plot. So good sign, good start. So we're gonna hopefully it's gonna be the best season I had in a long time. I've been an early start, get a chance to hunt more. So we should get more deer on film this year. So y'all stay tuned and we'll continue getting everything ready to roll. Well, everybody, got everything surfaced up, ready to roll. And we're gonna pull this disc out here and unhook it and get this truck out of here. Get it squared away. We'll hook this fertilizer bug up and we'll start slinging this fertilizer out. We're gonna go ahead and close this dude on out, y'all. Shit's back up. All right, got everything hooked up. Got my gate set, and so let's go put our little fertilizer. Target rate, we're gonna put out about 400 pounds to the acre. All right, everybody, we in here rolling, so for the eyes, putting out the GPS running. And we're gonna hold on across here nice and slow. Running right at 6.5, 7 miles an hour. Keep on trucking. So y'all enjoy the music. I got 2 cameras on time left from the outside. Get some video footage of the tractor running, and the spreader. And y'all enjoy the music, and we're gonna wrap this part up. We'll pick the video back up when we start disking. So that's what it looked like for 2025 and 26 whitetail hunt season here in Mississippi. Hope it's gonna be a year good. Alright, back with the next part of the video. We just got done with this fertilizer. Go back and check everything real quick. Make sure I'm 100% out. Yeah, I hook this fertilizer button. Go back, hook up to the disc and work the fertilizer in. So let me climb up here real quick. Yep. It's all gone. So when disengage this spinner, we're gonna move on to the next part of the video. Well, everybody, got the disc hooked back up, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video. And maybe gonna take me about an hour to get all this stuff done. I got my little camera sitting on super night vision to get a better view. So I'm gonna grab my tools and put them in the tractor with me. We're gonna go ahead and work the fertilizer in. So thank y'all for watching. Thank you for the support. And we'll catch y'all on the next video. We out.